How to increase FPS in Free Fire. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can increase FPS in Free Fire. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. So let's jump right into it. So to increase your FPS in Free Fire, head over to your Free Fire, tap on the settings icon, and after you're there, you can find multiple options. Tap on display, and on display, you'll find the display section where you'll find high FPS. So from here, simply select high, and you can see that selecting a higher FPS may cause your device to experience heat or lagging. So if you're okay with that, tap on OK, and you'll have set it to high. There's also an option that says enhanced. If you do that, this is going to be more balanced and this is going to be more smoother for you. You'll also find the graphics section where you can optimize to make it more standard or to make it more optimized. And yeah, choose the FPS that you think is good for your device. And that's how you can increase FPS in Free Fire. Thanks for watching. That is basically it for today's video. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe, and if you found the video helpful, leave a like down below and stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.